somewhere right now, in a quiet corner of a garage or a small backyard shed, someone is shaping a dream out of wood. It starts with the scent of sawdust, the rhythm of sanding, the soft whisper of grain beneath fingertips. And before long, what was once a simple piece of wood becomes something more: a shelf, a stool, a frame, a gift, or even a business. Woodworking has always been more than just a craft. It's a language of patience, creativity, and connection. But what if I told you that the same passion that drives you to carve, sand, and polish could also help you earn thousands of dollars, right from home? Welcome to the world of small-budget woodworking projects, where creativity meets opportunity, and where simple ideas can transform into steady income. You don't need a massive workshop, expensive machines, or years of training. What you need is imagination, a few essential tools, and the belief that something made with your own hands can carry value far beyond money. In this video, we'll dive deep into the beautiful world of home-based woodworking entrepreneurship, discovering projects you can start with a small budget, learning how to price and sell them, and uncovering the secret behind turning wood into wealth. Because today, the handmade movement is thriving. People everywhere are searching for authenticity, gifts, furniture, and decor that tell a story. And nothing tells a story quite like wood, with its warmth, its character, and its timeless appeal. When you craft something out of wood, you're not just making a product. You're creating emotion, a feeling that connects your work to someone else's life. That's why wooden crafts, no matter how simple, have become one of the most profitable handmade markets online and offline. Think about it. A set of handcrafted candle holders that costs $10 in materials can sell for $40 or more. A small wooden phone stand or key organizer might take you only an hour to make, yet it becomes a bestseller on Etsy, Instagram, or your local market. With just a few tools and a little creativity, your home workshop can become your business, your art studio, and your freedom, all at once. This is the magic of low-cost, high-value woodworking. It's not about building massive furniture or complex cabinets. It's about simple ideas with beautiful execution, projects that anyone can appreciate, that fit modern homes. people love to buy as gifts or decor. But beyond profit, woodworking also offers something rare in today's fast-paced digital world: peace. When your hands are busy shaping wood, your mind becomes calm. Each cut, each curve becomes a form of meditation, and the end result is something you can see, hold, and be proud of. Now imagine being paid to do that. Across the world, thousands of creative people have discovered this secret. Mothers working from home, retirees seeking purpose, young dreamers turning passion into income, all building small woodworking brands from their garages and spare rooms. Their workshops might be small, but their creativity is boundless. So if you've ever looked at a piece of furniture or decor and thought, "I could make that," this video is your call to action. Because you can. And you can do it with less money than you think. In this series, I'll show you how to start small, what tools to buy first, how to find affordable wood, which designs sell the best, and how to bring your ideas to life without breaking the bank. We'll explore wooden wall art, candle holders, small furniture, kitchen tools, and decorative pieces. All projects that are not just fun to make, but profitable to sell. Some of the most popular and profitable small projects covered in this video include handcrafted candle holders and coasters, wall-mounted key holders and entryway organizers, sleek phone stands and desk organizers, mini floating shelves and decorative wall art, personalized name signs, gifts and keepsakes, functional cutting boards, serving trays and small furniture pieces, eco-friendly scrap wood creations, and upcycled decor. Each project is explained with practical tips for beginners, showing you how simple tools and low-cost materials can be transformed into high-value products. You'll discover how personalization, creativity, and storytelling can turn even the simplest piece of wood into a bestseller. Whether your goal is to sell locally at craft fairs, set up an online shop on platforms like Etsy or Amazon Handmade, or even start your own small brand on Instagram and TikTok, this video provides all the inspiration and practical advice you need to start earning from home. We also explore the emotional value of handmade wood products, showing why customers are willing to pay more for gifts and decor that are unique, meaningful, and full of heart. Woodworking isn't just about making money. It's about creating lasting memories, thoughtful gifts, and products that people cherish for years. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap. What to make first, even if you have a tiny workshop. How to price your items for profit. How to market, photograph, and sell your creations effectively. How to scale your small hobby into a full-time or side income business. So grab your tools, pick up that first piece of wood, and start your journey into the rewarding world of handmade woodworking and small-budget DIY projects. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, ideas, and inspiration on creative woodworking, home-based businesses, and profitable DIY crafts.